Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to activate your iWriter content writer profile and start getting paid to write online. If you're passionate about writing and want to turn your skill into a source of income, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Visit the iWriter website. Begin by navigating to the official iWriter website. You can easily find it by typing iWriter into your preferred search engine. Once on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top of the page. Step 2. Create an account. Click on the Sign Up button, and you'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security reasons. After completing the form, hit the Submit button. Step 3. Confirm your email. After signing up, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from iWriter. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial as it activates your profile on the platform. Step 4. Complete your profile. Once your account is verified, log into your iWriter account. You will be prompted to complete your profile. This includes adding a profile picture, writing a brief bio, and outlining your writing specialties. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible, as this will help clients find the right writer for their needs. Step 5. Choose your writer level. iWriter has different writer levels: standard, premium, and elite. The level you choose will determine the types of projects you can access and the payment per word. Select the appropriate level based on your experience and confidence in your writing skills. Step 6. Take a writing test. To assess your writing abilities, iWriter may require you to take a writing test. This test usually involves completing a sample article on a given topic. Make sure to follow the guidelines carefully and put forth your best effort. This will help you secure a higher writer level. Step 7. Start browsing projects. Once your profile is activated and you've completed any necessary tests, you can start browsing and choosing projects. Log into your account and navigate to the Find Work section. Here, you will see various writing assignments available. Select projects that interest you and match your expertise. Step 8. Submit your work. After selecting a project, you will have a set amount of time to complete it. Write your article following the client's guidelines and submit it through the iWriter platform. Make sure your work is original, engaging, and free from grammatical errors. Step 9. Get paid. Once your work is approved by the client, you will receive your payment according to iWriter's payment schedule. Ensure you've set up your payment method correctly in your account settings to make transactions smooth and hassle-free. Now you're ready to activate your iWriter content writer profile and start earning money for your writing skills. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy writing!